fam? The idea is to work smarter, not harder. I am telling you again that there is money to be made in this business called lawn care. We can't cut all this grass by ourselves. Please stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you why I'm saying this and why I'm looking like this. Because I have said this before, and people think I'm lying. But I'm going to prove my point today. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you're doing well today, fam. So before I get into the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Really would like to get my subs up. Please also like the videos, because if you like the video, it makes it relevant. And guess what? It helped me get my subs up. So enough of the begging. Let me get into it. I had somebody subscribe to the channel, had a question, and they really, I would say I'll take it as a compliment. They wanted me to mentor them. And truth be told, man, I'm really honored, and you want me to mentor you. I always been honest when it comes down to what I've been doing lately, and basically I'm only been doing this 3 years, and he really wants to know, hey, is there any money in this industry? Can I make money? I don't want to go out and spend all this money. I can't make no money. So let me do a quick answer to that question. Yes, there is money in this, and I've been saying it for a long time, and I know sometimes it's fear that goes along with it, because the unknown can be fearful, and I'm not gonna act like I ain't never scared of nothing. I get nervous in some of the stuff I do too. I just want to be honest with you. That's the reason why I share my numbers. So basically he was asking me, hey, so what should I do in order to get clients? This is a question that's been answered several times, and I'm not frustrated about it. I think what I need to do right now is walk you through why you should do what I'm saying that you need to do, because it is there. How to get clients is there, and you're going to use technology. I'm going to tell you why you should do this. And what I'm saying is why you should do my Google business. Now, you done heard me say it before, and I have videos on it in the past, but I'm going to prove my point today. Here we go. So first thing first, fam, let me show you why my Google is important and how you can jump ahead of the game by just taking a little time and doing a little work. All right, so as you can see right here, I put lawn care in Macon, Georgia. This is important because, as you can see at the top, you have what is called ads. It says right here, the top 10 lawn care providers servicing Macon, Georgia. Now, what you can see here, you got guaranteed checks. I have a guaranteed check. Guaranteed checks meaning that there's enough people who have been to my Google business, use my Google business services or whatever, to make me a legit person on Google. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see this what is called a snap pack. Now, this is free. This is free for anybody who's starting services. Free. It's not going to be free very long, but right now it's free. Because you can see right here, you got True Green. Now, everybody knows True Green is a fertilizing treatment company. It's a big company. So you're not going to beat out True Green, but that's okay, because you got 2 guys underneath them, and they have 1 review and 9. Now, you mean to tell me you can't get more than 1 and 9 reviews? But all right, so you think that's just that. Let me go somewhere. Let me go to Decatur, Georgia. I'm telling you, people are not using this service. This is the reason I'm saying this. All right, look. This person got 4. This person got 3. This person got 9. Now you're saying, Vic, why is this important? Let me go to another place, man. Let me go to another place before I jump into why it's important. Because let's go to McDonough, Georgia. And I'm going to places that's close by me. Once again, look, True Green is up at the top. Got a green check, meaning Google guaranteed. And you're going to see that your boy got that. Once again, you got 1, you got 12, and this person right here got nothing. But yet, if someone was to Google that, they're already in front of the clients a lead, meaning that someone is looking for services. So let me go to mine. You see that check right there? There it is, that blue check. That lets you know I'm already on my way. I'm a guaranteed. I'm a guarantor, guaranteed, whatever. Now, I'm going to show you my profile. This is my profile. As it says, let me go back here. Let me not skip all the good stuff. Look right here. In the past 14 days, searches, 237 searches. Now, in the summertime, it was way more than that. I got way more than that. But this is searches, someone looking for lawn care. Right here, you got 238 views. 238 views in the last 14 days. And a call to action, meaning that somebody text me, somebody called my business phone through the ad, and they got in contact with your boy. Now, let me explain this to you again. I just showed you where majority of the people don't even have no legit reviews on their page. No legit reviews on their page. They're not working this hard because they're working old school. They're working harder, not smarter. The technology is smarter. It's smarter. And I'm showing you this right here. And I guarantee most of you don't have this. And you're asking me questions like, what should I do? This is it. Now, I'm going to show you something. Right here, it's showing me that inside my profile, I had over 341 views. I had 339 searches. And the activity, like overall activity, man, look, man, 2,000 people. 2,000, that's crazy. And it's a drop. I don't know how to drop. Now, the strategy you're saying, well, Vic, I'm going to do that, and then I don't know how I get more clients. This is it. You're going to do something that other people ain't doing. You're going to put photos up of your work. That's what I do. You're going to put videos up. All you need is a smartphone, which you have, by the way, a smartphone. Now, you're saying, well, how do I get 49 reviews? Well, I'm going to tell you how you get 49 reviews. You pay for it. You pay for the reviews, okay? The way you pay for the reviews is really simple. It's really simple how you're going to pay for the reviews. One is you got relationships with people already, family, friends, okay? You say, hey, man, I want to come and cut your yard, okay? Cut them for a discount, man. And then ask them, look, man, do me a favor. The reason why I'm cutting your yard for cheap or for free, I need you to go ahead and put me a review on Google. Make it legit. Tell them, you know, how dependent I am, how you like the services. Did I do a good job? Give me 5 stars. Let me tell you something. This is important because it's places that would charge you money for this. And I'm telling you, once everyone figures this out, that's exactly what's going to happen. Google going to start charging everyone money to put an ad up. But right now, it's in the low part, you know what I'm saying? Like right now, you cannot put a car on Craigslist without paying for it. They realize people go to Craigslist to look for cars. So they charge you as an ad person or a person who wants to sell something money to put that information up. And what I'm saying to you right now, you can get hundreds of clients in front of you. All you have to do is get reviews and make yours legit. And the way you make yours legit is adding photos to it, posting, and it don't have to be every week. Every 2 weeks, you post something about your services and what you're providing for your customers. Okay? Now, how do you get your clients to give you reviews? Simple again. Once you do the job for them, say, hey, I know I was going to charge you $50, but if you do it right now, if you go and give me a positive review on Google, I'll slash it by $5. Man, you mean to tell me you can't do that? That's what I'll be doing. And yes, you can make money in this business. Don't sell yourself cheap, first off. Don't go in there and try to give everyone a deal. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with giving people discounts, but a discount should be limited for a period of time to get your clients in. And once they realize you're reliable and dependable, boom, they calling other people for you. Now, this is what I do. Do I always do a great job? Do my guys always do a great job across the board? Do they ever make mistakes, not blow the pavement off or whatever? Yes, They make mistakes. But the thing is, what they do is they show up and cut their yard. They're very dependable and they're very liable. That's the thing that my clients say so much about me. So that's what I asked them for a review on. Hey, can you give me a 5-star review on my dependability and my liability? And they go, yes. We ain't got to worry about Quick Cutz coming to cut our yard, because we're going to be there, because we want to service clients who are looking for someone who wants to be there every time it's time to cut their yard. Okay? So fam, do me a favor, like and subscribe to my video. Do me a favor, if you want me to talk about something that can be beneficial to you and I hadn't discussed it in my other videos, please put it in the comment sections. I am here and I would like to mentor people, but just like anything, time is money. And I'm not asking you to pay me to mentor. What I'm saying is that if I already did the video, please go ahead and do the research in my on my channel. Look to see if I talked about that. I don't mind repeating myself, because one of the things I know about when it comes to education, you don't learn it unless you say it over and over and over again. Please like this video, put it in a place where you can go back and take a look at it, because I'm telling you, in a few more years, Google business will not be for free, and you will wish you'd done it. And it's funny, because I bet you if you had to pay for it, you'd be doing it. If you had to pay for it, you'll be doing it right now. But now that it's free, it is trying to get its way up to where anytime you look for something online, people have to pay for it in order to be in front of you. Right now, it is free in order to be in front of your clients. That's what I'll be doing. That will be the first thing I would do when it comes to marketing my business. Yeah, you gotta have the equipment and everything, but as that say you got that stuff and you trying to get clients, that's what you do. And I know hopefully I ain't beating a tired horse who've already heard it, but I'm compassionate about it, because at the end of the day, I already said it, I can't cut all this grass by myself. Cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.